this is everything you need to know about setting up an arc welder. Hi, I'm Andrew. Arc welders are a versatile machine that are generally used to weld thicker materials but can weld thinner materials too. But first thing first, let's set this up. As with all welding, safety is a very important factor. You need a non-combustible surface to weld on, a welding blanket, a snood, a welding jacket, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and material handling gloves. If your surface had rust, grime, dirt, paint, that sort of thing on it, you would use a wire brush to actually brush the surface to clear it of this debris. Prior to turning your machine on, make sure it is switched off at the back and then plug it into the wall. Now to connecting your leads. Take your earth lead, plug it into the negative terminal, twist until it's securely locked in place. Take your workpiece, connect it to the positive terminal, twist until it is securely locked in place. From here, you can connect your earth clamp either directly to your workpiece or to your work surface. This will ensure that the electrical current flows properly. Finally, take your handpiece, open it, place the electrode into the handpiece and clip it firmly. Now you're ready to weld, you need to move your electrode away from your workpiece. You can now turn your machine on safely. And there you have it, everything you need to know about setting up an arc welder. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.